This is Troon. We parked here last night. I think this place is called South Esplanade Car Park. I'll leave the what 3 words for our van. It was okay, this place was full when we arrived, but as you can see it's quite empty now. It emptied up once all the dog walkers and joggers had left. We weren't sure if we were allowed to park here, so we didn't actually settle very well. There was a lot of folk kind of coming and going, even the police. There was a couple of council vans as well, so it's quite early in the morning, so we've decided just to park up and leave sharpish. But as you can see, there was another van, there was another one for that red car's parked, but he's up and going already. But we'll make a move soon. We've actually booked in a campsite for a couple of nights. We're away down to Sands of Luce, I think it's called. But this is Troon Beach, it's lovely.